If you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or CFO, and you've just built the perfect reporting package or month-end close workbook, and you decide that you want to replicate it for other clients, but maybe you don't want to spend the time redoing all of that work, I'm excited to share a revamped feature inside of Retriever that's going to let you replicate these entire workbooks for new clients in just a few clicks. So first, to get you oriented, what we're looking at is this simple dashboard file I've pulled together. It's for our firm Akita Accounting. We've prepared it for Catalina Coffee Roasters, and it's got this cover page. It's got a nice dashboard with some beautiful charts. It has a P&L that we've styled to our brand. We've also added calculations like this month-over-month growth rate to it. We've also added a couple of supporting P&L and balance sheet tabs. So now to replicate it for a new client, what we're first going to do is open a new Google Sheet. I'm going to open the Retriever extension. Click open. I'm going to go to this one. Okay, so now we're in our new workbook and we have Retriever open. Step one is to open the reports dropdown and scroll to the bottom where we'll see the option to add a new template. What this is going to do is prompt us to access Google Drive, and then I'm just going to search for the simple dashboard that we were looking at. Okay, so here it is. I'm just going to click select. And now it's added our template. And it's going to be saved here too. So if whenever you open a Google Sheet and access Retriever, it will be there. We have the option to deselect any sheets maybe we don't want to bring over that don't apply, but for now I'm going to keep all of them. And then we can create it in a new spreadsheet or in the existing one. I'm going to leave it on new, and I'm just going to shorten this name of the new file. And then I'm going to click create template. And so what that's going to do is effectively take our existing template, and then it's going to ping QuickBooks to get the latest and greatest data for our new client, again, Avalon Solutions. And it's going to update those source sheets. And just to show you those source sheets, I guess they're not in this workbook, but they're going to be that P&L 1, the P&L 2, and then the balance sheet. And it's going to update those with the new client's data. And then our formulas and our charts, since they point to those source tabs, they're also going to update in sync. So it's now finishing our spreadsheet, and there it is. It says your template is ready, and it's going to have a link to this new file, Simple Dashboard Avalon. So when I click that, we can open it up and see it's already got the new company name, Avalon Solutions. When we come to the dashboard, these charts and graphs are all updated for the new company. So if I flip back to the old one, whoops, you can see it now has the new data between Catalina and Avalon. You can see we have our P&L, it's got our logo. It's inserted new rows to the chart of accounts and just highlighted those for us, so we can remove that highlighting now that we've checked them. And it's got our P&L and balance sheet as well. So this is probably going to get you, maybe 80% or more of the way there. You may still need to adjust things, massage the information, as no two companies are the same. But this is going to save you a ton of time and repetitive work. Now, if you want to demo this with me personally or need help getting it set up, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to walk you through it. Thanks for watching.